Kajing paswat stat kala air election ha Meghalaya kala pen kala perdat ki snir ki snap jong ki nong yalam ki badon ha kalyang senshar ha kaba ki la Plie Kyrkieh ki babon ki project ha kylleng ki constituency ha ka khatla dari Kyllalyngkot Myntri Rangbah Conrad ki Sangma kum kala air langthari ula her kylleng ki shnong ban Plie ka tlong ringum di ha Garobadha nangta ula mareh Selsella ban Plie ki babon ki surok bala maramot bat siangrong dangshen hakini ki bnai bat ki taiew balala ula thung mawnongrim yaka multi facility hall Manchak integrated village cooperative society hadeng nakpara ha rerapara C&RD South Garo Hills district.
Because our honorable former minister has already briefed you on the background of this project and the importance of this project. But I would just like to give you a small brief idea about how Jal Jeevan and this implementation has gone for the state in the last 5 years. In fact, when we had taken over in 2018, there were only 4,500 houses in the rural areas which had water connection through pipe, which made up less than 0.75% of the entire household population or the households in the rural areas, which of course made us one of the worst states in the entire country. All states were at 5%, 10%, some even at 50%, and Meghalaya was way down at 0.75%. So we were at the bottom.
Kat seba ulet ulah kambat ko badai tang ka sorkar MDA ka balat rekam hakini ki san posnam hakerta jong ka Meghalaya ula IT ru ya ka rai lani ka order jong ka sorkar Meghalaya bala penrung ya ka Selsella college haka thop jong ka People's College hakaba ka sorkar kan bay ya ki jingrot jingsap baro.
Established in 2009, it was run without difficulty for 5 years in succession with the finance fully provided by the President Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, the then MLA of Selsella ST constituency, after whom the college was being nicknamed as Babang College. Till then, the fact of the Selsella College began to have a negative turn, manipulated by the financial crisis, right from the time that its founder was defeated in the next term of the then assembly form. It is a matter of sadness to say that the college has been something like it ceased to be functional anymore because of lack of powerful funding. The governing body was no longer able to pay salaries of lecturers.